Easy.
Our adventures are in full swing, and we can't wait to show you our recent footage. With the most exciting being our new catamaran. We are taking on a refitting from the inside out, and hope you watch as we restore her back to her smooth sailing best. We know this huge renovation will take a while, and because we don't want to put our monohull exploits on hold, we'll still be cruising, sailing, island hopping, and bringing you all the fun. We'll grab the saw and the bikini. You grab a seat and a beer, and join us for an exciting new year. Okay, we've been away for a little while. We had some family obligations. We have been having some adventures, and we will be posting those most recent soon. But the first thing we want to show you is the biggest adventure, the new addition to our family. Heavenly Twins 26. Not so gently used. 1977. Absolute beauty. We're super stoked to have it. Hey, Scout. The first Heavenly Twins was designed by Pat Patterson in 1971 and built by Heavenly Cruising Yachts out of the UK. Look at all this deck space!
There's drone footage.
Its overall length is 26 feet with a 13.75 beam, and it has a draft of only 2¼ feet. Okay, so now let's take a look inside. Okay, here we are in the interior, and I know it looks kind of crazy right now. There is a lot of work to be done, but we are up for the challenge, I think. I'm in the galley, and I'm 5'7", and the captain is 6'3", and I think that's what he's most excited about, is that there's so much headroom in here. And if you watch our videos, you know that we have a McGregor 26X, which is a great boat, but the captain can only stand up fully when the hatch is open in this little like 3x4 area, and I have to duck a lot in that boat too. In that boat, the dining room, the galley, the bedroom, everything is in one space, but here the spaces are delineated a little bit more, so you have that nice separation, and the bedroom is all the way in the back. You can't even see it from here, so that's nice. So come down and I'll show you some more. Good. You can't stand up in the McGregor. The McGregor, I think it says that it's a stand-up bathroom, right?
No, I said that.
Oh, you said that. Well, were you lying to get me to want that boat?
Well, it's a stand-up, but not for me.
Well, for who? I'm 5'7", and
Someone who's 5'4" can stand up.
5'4" can stand up. Okay. Well, the average woman. Okay. All right. So anyway, you stand up in there. That's cool. We're gonna take some more stuff out of there and rearrange that. But look at those nice big windows. That's one of my favorite things about the boat. The windows are huge. There's so much light that comes in, and it's all the way around behind me and in the bathroom too. Love it. Girl. And then we'll show you the stoop through.
Okay.
Okay, here we are in the master bedroom, or really just the bedroom, I guess. You can separate it off if you want. There's a space for a partition that we had up, but of course we don't need that, so we took it down. And in here we have a oversized king bed, plenty of space to stretch out. And one of my favorite things is these windows. They're so big, and the way we're oriented right now, we have the sunrise in the morning, so you can just lay in bed. You don't even need to sit up, and you can just see the gorgeous sunrise over the water. And we're excited about having it. It's way bigger than our other ones, so it's fun. this day we decided to sail out to the Content Keys, which was about 15 miles from where we were. For some reason I can't sit still for very long, so I'm always running around the boat and trying to, as the captain says, injure myself in a bunch of different ways. But I didn't get hurt this time, so I'll just keep doing weird things like hanging over and trying to touch the water backwards for some reason. I don't know, I thought it was a good idea. It was fun. But then the weather changed its plans a bit, so we did too and decided to head back in. It was time for reprovisioning with a quick stop at the old Bayside rail bridge. Ooh, you never know what the camera's gonna catch. Just kidding. The replacement bridge was opened in 1972 and 2 spans of the old bridge were removed for boat traffic. And walking around here, you can find some old storage buildings that are still standing from the Flagler Railway construction era. While in town at Big Pine Key, we got up close with the key deer. They're an endangered species that live only in the Florida Keys, and they're a subspecies of the white-tailed deer. They're the smallest in North America, and they can easily swim between the islands. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. Oh, okay. I love you. One hand for the boat, the captain always says. After spending a little time on the Atlantic side, we knew the weather was going to get rough, so we pulled into a little marina spot so the captain could lower the mast, head under the bridge over to the west side. This is the thigh cam. It's smoother over here on the Bayside, so it's time to do some bow riding. It's one of my absolute favorite things to do. And here we're in less than 5 feet of water, and you can see how clear it can get over on the Bayside. It's different from the Atlantic in its colors, and it can be a lot of fun too. here it gets pretty shallow and you can snorkel in like less than a foot of water, which is what I'm doing, but just be careful not to touch down on anything. The captain has the anchor all set. And I have one for the road, because I'm not driving. And we head out. See y'all next time. For more fun, please visit our Patreon page, and we have extended full-length videos at Vimeo. Thank you so much for helping keep us afloat.